Hi, our project is Picasso Canvas. My name is Nicholas.
And I'm Puneet.
And our two other members are Jesse and Amara. So our project creates art on a web page canvas using a microcontroller and sensors connected to the microcontroller. We create different art pieces using the environment around us. Our project fits the theme of breaking the norm because we don't want the user to touch the canvas themselves. We want their environment to create the art for them. We want to lower the barrier of entry so that anyone can create art, no matter their skill level or if they have any disabilities. And we do this using the different sensors connected to the microcontroller, and Puneet's going to go into more detail.
Right. So first I'm going to just briefly talk about the tech stack that we use. So for our code, we used a Python Flask for our backend, and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for our frontend. For our hardware, we used an Arduino Uno R4 microcontroller with a Grove Shield, Grove Sound Sensor, Grove Light Sensor, and 2 Grove buttons. The Arduino code is written in the Arduino programming language, which is based in C++. So let's have a look at our microcontroller now. Here is our Arduino R4, and here are our different components. So this is our 2 buttons, sound sensor, and light sensor. So without further ado, let's get started with our demo. So as soon as I start the canvas, you can see our cursor just going crazy on the screen. And actually our sound sensor is what affects the speed of the cursor. So the more sound it picks up, the faster it goes. And the less sound it picks up, it goes at a more normal speed. So right now there's a lot of sound in the area, that's why it's kind of going crazy, sorry about that. But anyways, so our light sensor is what we use to actually change the selected color. And this works based off of the amount of light it picks up. So the more light it picks up, the lighter the color will be. And as you can see, the color value is changing. So if there's not much light at all, it goes down to the darker shades. And we can control the size of the brush as well as the style of the brush. Let's see which one this one is. This is the size of the brush. So there we go. So you can see that the size has increased. And then our other button controls the different brush styles. So let's change. This gives a more splattered pattern. And if you'd like to save your art piece once you're done, you can just click on this save button over here, and it will save our art piece as a PNG file. And yeah, once you're done with your art piece, you can also just clear the canvas and start all over again. So that concludes the functionality for our demo.
So thank you for your time and consideration. We had a lot of fun participating in this hackathon, and we hope to do so and participate in more in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.